Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the final setup of Joker. At first, you need to set your wallpaper. Go to the wallpaper session, pick image and set the Joker wallpaper at your home screen. After doing this, go to Nova settings, go to backup and import settings, click on restore and manage backups and browse. Now go to the downloaded folder where you have downloaded all the files. Then select Joker the Virus 360 Nova backup file and click on OK. After the settings, press on your home button twice to go on your Nova launcher again. Then click on any widget, tap on the file button upper right corner and import all the KWGT files from the downloaded folder. Like I am importing all the KWGT files in there. After finishing this process, click on the third widget and click on save. Then tap on the second widget and select the second widget and save it. Like this at the third widget. Then go to Nova Launcher settings again. Go to gestures and import and swipe up and select this to app drawer. That's it. This is the final look. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click on subscribe and notification bell icon and comment in the comment section.